In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I received from a company. They are called IO. That's the name on the screen. IO. It's a company that deals with sanitary pads, but their own kind of sanitary pad is kind of special, like the disposable one. This one is a washable sanitary pad, guys. And when I first heard about washable sanitary pad, I'm like, what? How are we gonna do that? How are you gonna wash and laundry and all of that, and forgetting how it was being done back home before for those of the people that cannot afford sanitary pad. All right, without talking too much, excuse the noise or my voice or the atmosphere. It's been cloudy all day, so excuse all of that and the quality of the video. So yeah, I'm just quickly gonna show you guys. I've had this for like 2.5 weeks now. This is how it came. Of course, it came in a package which I already, open, because I need to sanitize it before, touching and bringing it into my home. Every package I receive, I sanitize at the entrance of my house and clean everything before bringing it in. So with that being said, this is how it looks inside. So this is what it came with. This is a slip that it came with, apart from the normal total packaging that it came with. Inside it, this is what it looks like. Thank you for your purchase. I hope you will find our period starter kit. So it's a period starter kit, ideal in helping you achieve an eco-friendly period. So not being on my period, that's why I've not been able to do this video. But when I received it, I was told that I can just take the picture. I've been very busy. I apologize for that. This video or picture of the product supposed to have been out for like a week and a half now. I've been extremely busy with some projects. I apologize for that, like I said. So let me quickly go ahead and show you guys. This is how it looks. The packaging, I love it. It came with a pouch that you can store it in while using it, especially when you're on the go. You can go with this in here, and when you're using it, this can leave the bag. And when you have a soiled pad, when you use one and it's soiled, if you're not home, just wrap it up and put it in here. It's machine washable. Wash it with your machine, and if you don't have a machine, hand washable as well. It is your blood that came out from your own body, so it's up to you. Whatever you want to wash it with, use it, wash it, and air dry. So yeah, you have to air dry it. I love it, and my first time of trying is today, guys, because I've been waiting for my red dragon to appear. So it came today, and I put it on like I would say noon time ish. I put it on at noon, and I've been going to the bathroom to pee. It feels like, definitely you feel that you put something in there. Some video that I've seen, it said it feels seamless, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. That's one thing I noticed. It does not feel heavy at all, as if you have a lot of liquid blood in there. It doesn't feel that. So I will still use it tomorrow. It maybe by the time I use it tomorrow or overnight, I'll try it overnight, then I'm gonna use that to complete this video, if that makes sense. So this is how it looks. So I was in a rush. I got my tape here. I want to measure how it looks, because when I was putting the one I have on, I think it's not long enough to me. To my own opinion, it's a great product, but I think it's not long enough. It's measuring 9.5 inches. If it was like 10.5 or 10 or 11, we are different people, different sizes. To my own opinion, I believe they should have different length, like sizes. I don't know if I'm making sense. So yeah, because this is how they all looks. It comes in 6 in the pack. The kit, it comes in 6 in the pack. So before you use the 06, obviously you must have laundry some, and you can buy more than one kit if you are the heavy type. Okay, you can buy more than one kit. Like I said, the only thing that I think they could have done better or still do is a longer pad, because like me, sometimes if my flow is heavy, the sanitary pad I use, I had to double it overnight. Like, you know, this is the normal sanitary pad. I have to like double it, place it on top of each other to make it more longer for me, just in case I'm laying flat on my chest or laying back. The one flowing to the back will not stain my bed. So like this, I'm still worried about how I'm going to use this tonight, because as I want to save what is dropping forward, I want to save what is going backward, if that makes sense to me. That's my only suggestion towards this product. Apart from that, by the end of the day, I'm going to be changing very soon. I just want to put it on a little bit longer to really see and test the product for myself before I conclude and complete this video. Like I said, I will use it overnight tomorrow as well. So guys, the color not bad. So guys, this is a voiceover for the next day on the clip that I just did in the car right here. So when I tested it, my opinion was, like I said yesterday, I wanted more longer. It's short for me. Another thing is the clip right there is too tiny for, you know, for that place you normally place your pad. The pants itself, the underwear itself, is larger and wider than the space of the clip at the back of this part, if that makes sense. So I think it needs to be more wider and a bit longer, to my opinion. That's the only thing that is not making me give this 100%. Apart from that, the capacity of the liquid that it can absorb is 100%. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. If you will be trying it, every information you need to order this beautiful product, like I said, I'm going to be concluding and completing this video tomorrow, but I just want to end it before I chip in tomorrow's clip, if that makes sense, guys. So every information you need to order this product will be in the description box. Every information, I will leave it down below for you guys. I love you all for watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Once again, God bless you all. I love you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful. See you in my next one. Bye.